seafood fiesta. Is this Long Beach or is this called
Long Beach.
Long Beach, Washington? But isn't it the next town from? All right. Anyways, check this out. It is juicy.
This
It
is a
wonderful.
halibut taco, and man, they are good. And they have clam chowder here. That's the #1 clam chowder in Long Beach. Anyway,
Halibut taco. Are you going to take a bite into that juicy boy?
there we go.
There you go. Oh.
Bellissimo.
Primo. Bellissimo. Excelente.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh, yeah. All right.